Hi everyone, it's Trevor from 7 Spot. Just landed back home. The car's behind me just ticking away as it's cooling down. And I just thought it would be a great thing just to, record my thoughts on the Malvern Kit Car Show of this weekend. Always known as the National Kit Car Show, but everyone called it Stoneleigh. And new venue. When it first came out, it was announced there was lots of negativity. It's not Stoneleigh, it's not in the centre of the country, etc, etc. But we have just had the most fantastic weekend. Okay, this glorious weather here has really helped us. But everyone, from the manufacturers, the trade stands, everyone seemed so positive. All the clubs were so positive. There was a good attendance, where Stoneleigh used to be sort of quite scattered in the cars, a long distance between them outside. This was all a lot closer and a lot easier to walk around. The camping facilities were great. There were great showers, toilets and all that were all kept clean. It was a really nice place to stay. And all the exhibitors or manufacturer exhibitors I talked to, they were also positive, and it's given the show such a reset. The main hall, it's so much lighter and brighter than Stoneleigh ever was, and it just was a nice place to be. And I think the problem is we've all, those that have been to Stoneleigh for a number of years have seen it decline, but that's the nature of the industry. The kit car industry is never going to be massive like it was 25 years ago. We've got to face reality. However, for what the industry is now, it's a great place to go. And if you haven't considered going before, it really is a good one to go to. And if you fancy a bit of kit car show action this year, of course, there is the Newark Show on the 23rd and 24th of June. Particularly, obviously, those for sort of the Midlands and North East is a great location. But for next year, for Malvern, think about camping for the weekend. There was a band on Saturday night. It was great sitting there with the sunset, drinking our sort of beers and ciders. Absolutely great atmosphere. So Malvern, forget Stoneleigh. Malvern is the new Stoneleigh. How about that? And it's a much better, much more relevant show than it was when it was at Stoneleigh. So hope that's of use to you. If you've enjoyed listening to some of our videos, and we've got some great videos coming up over the next few days because we've been speaking to all the manufacturers, please consider giving us a subscribe. It helps the channel out no end, and you're helping us to get that word about kit cars out further and wider. Take care, everyone.